Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to texture paint in Blender. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step would be to click here, Add Modifier, and here we will look for Subdivision Surface. Click here. Here we will increase 1 point, click here, Apply. Now, right-click here, Shade Smooth, and then click here. Now here, in Material. Texture Paint. New. Here we will put the size. And here, a name. Click here. And this I recommend to leave it in blank. New image. Now we will go to Shading, Add, Texture, Image Texture, and connect color with base color. Then click here and select the name you saved earlier. We return to Texture Paint and click here. And now we can paint. We can paint from the left plane or directly on top of the figure. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.